All right, so we are set. My camera has cooled down, and I have cooled down as well. I took a dip in the pool, and now I'm ready to get to work. I want to finish what the poster had asked for, and then I have some ideas about this as well. So let's get to this. So the next thing I want to do is make it so that when I click on one of these items, sorry, I got to load it again. When I click on one of these items, that it actually it opens up that record inside of FileMaker. Now I don't actually have those records in FileMaker, so I'm gonna make um, and what am I gonna do here? I need to make these. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna use the execute data API script step to write these records to FileMaker. So let's do that by going to VS Code and updating this to be, so it's, let's see, square info is this. Um, so the thing is this. So what I'm trying to do is get it set up in the format that we need for the execute data API. And the way that that is written is field data and then colon that. That is not right. There we go. So field data dot this. So if I run this again, let's see if this works. Yeah, so I'm trying to decide how to do this. So we're pushing that into the array. Yep, that should work. All right, so let's load the widget, get the points. And why is that not working? What is happening? Can't find variable the array. Let's see, what's the array? It's clear up there. Oh, no, it's clear up there. Oh, I see what I'm doing. All right, let's start over. So we load it, and what we want to have happen is when I click on a point, if I edit it, click on a point, point one. Okay, so it didn't do what I asked it to do. Oh no. All right, so then we return this, and I'm still getting that error. Okay, lots of issues. What did this say? Why can't you find the variable color? Where is that? Oh yeah, that's right here. Where is the variable color? Did I remove it? I did. It's right there. Okay. It's inside of that. Um, I guess what I need to do is hmm. Okay, so let's start off with blank. Let's just start all over and get this to work. So we add a point. There we go. We add another point. Still didn't clear this out. And then we get the points. We're still running into an error. It's this color right here. Why am I not getting that color? I'm not getting that color because the color variable is right here. the color variable is, where's the color variable coming from? It's coming from the style object. So I guess I could just say style object.color. Oops, I'll do this. Color equals style color style. Okay, so let's try this again. Load the widget. Point 1, point 2. Get the points. Oh my God, what is happening here? Why am I still can't find variable the array? The array is, I don't know why you can't find it. Why can't you find it? It's right there. Why can't you find it? Hold on. I'm going to start back all over. Oh, no, that should. Okay, so I'm getting an issue with the array. The array is when this when this function runs, the array variable is not available. I don't know why that's changed in the last since I went for a swim. One of my dogs must have come in here and messed things up. But I think I can solve this by just taking the closing brackets of this function, take this one and just drag it all the way inside of here because the array is declared inside of this function. So anything that uses it needs to be inside of that function. So let's try that. So we do this, point whatever, get points. There we go. Okay. Okay, so now what I want to do is create this so that when this runs, it goes and finds this actual record. How would I do this? I would do this. Well, first of all, I would turn it off so that I can't edit it. And I want to add a click event to that. So let's add a click event to that. Here's the click of it. Here's the square. We'll say down here, we'll say square dot add event listener click. I don't know, it just added a bunch of stuff. Gross. It's going to add that. And this is going to FileMaker.perform script open record. And I'll do JSON.stringify. I'm going to do the entire square. Or the entire, let's see, new square. No. So this is tricky because let's do this. Let's create a const square record equals for now we'll just put in the text and then we're going to pass that to FileMaker. So this is holding the value of the square as an object. SQUARE, square rec, so that we can pass it back to FileMaker. Okay, so let's create that script quick. Open record, set variable, get their param, get script param, iter. Okay, and then we'll just do a quick show custom dialog param, and then exit script. So this record, this script here would actually go find the record based on what's in there. Actually, let's do this. Let's do set variable. No. Set variable text JSON get elements ent param and text. Okay, and then we'll just show the text. And then I would use this to do other things, to find that record and by the name. Okay, so let's run that and see. Square dot add event listener, open record, alert. Am I? Oh, you know why? Okay, let's try this again. Let's remove this. Let's load the widget, and then let's edit it, because this should only happen on the edit. That makes sense. We'll do load widget. We'll do this. Point record 1. Okay. Now we'll turn off the edit, and then we'll click on this, and there we go. So now it's running the JavaScript, which runs a FileMaker script. So now again, I can use this script to, that's interesting. Let's try this again. That should not come up. Why is that coming up? Let's see if we can fix that. Let's remove that. Actually, what I could do is, I'm going to remove this. Well, let's just start over. Okay, so load the widget. We're going to set it to edit, load the widget, do that, record 1, submit, turn off. I'm going to get the points. I'm going to load the widget again. And then I want to press this button. What is happening? Oh, jeez. Okay. It's not being added when I'm here. So that's the problem. I'm not going to add it when I'm actually putting stuff on there. No, I need to add it on both. Okay, so we're just always going to do this. This is weird, but that's fine. All right, so now when I click on this, no. Gosh, what's going on? Square. Let's put it clear down here. All right, so load the widget. Not getting any errors. Am I getting an error? I probably am. Yeah, that's probably what's going on. Can't find square rec. Okay, duh. Square rec is this. I need this as part of so the text is coming in from FileMaker. It's being set into this variable, and that's being used in this open record. Okay. There we go. There we go. There we go. So clicking elsewhere doesn't do it. Just clicking on this works. Now I have to add it every time, which is a little unfortunate, but it's fine. It's just adding that click event right here. It's adding that click event every time. So whatever, it's fine. It's actually kind of good because eventually I'll probably want to use the ID of this record. But okay, so we got that. So now we can go and find that record. That's beautiful. That's what the client wanted. So if I edit this and I load the widget again and I add another one, record 2, and I add another one, record 3, get the points. Here's the representation of them. Turn off the editing, and then I can load the widget again or not. And now I've got these as buttons. Very nice. Okay, great. Beautiful. All right, so we're there. We're getting there. These don't quite look like tags to me. I think I might, let's see what a tag looks like. Let's see if I can find anything about a tag. Tailwind, CSS, tag. This is what I think I want. Those are nice. I might end up using Tailwind to do my work. I'll get to that later. Okay, so the next thing is to create an image that will be loaded in here. That's going to be fun. So let me think about that. I need a container field. I need a background. That's a container. And I need a base 60. I need a BG encoded, which is going to be the base 64 encoded. Leave that blank. And then that text goes there. Okay. So now let me look at the let me look at what I had done previously. So this is a nice background image. That is found, I think it's found here. Is it found here? No, those are the rooms. Where are they? Where are they? They are. Oh, they're not. Are they in the HTML? They are. So here's the base 64 encoded image. Where is that image at? That's weird. Detail, portal, floor plan. There's the container. Okay. So let's get that floor plan and go. There it is. Okay. So we'll just grab. Got all sorts of records here. What is this? No, that's an image of, I don't know. It's just an, oh, let's just use that. Okay. So export. Now we'll put that into ours. So we'll go here and we'll add the container fields. And we will add, now the client wanted a PDF, so this will be interesting to see how PDF could work, but let's just insert and we'll add that. Okay. Now we want to pass that in as the background. What I did in the previous version, let's look at that again. HTML is so it's base 64 encoded in here, and then I did this. Background, outer width true, no. The colors, the array. where did I add that as a background? Let's look at the HTML. Let's look at the HTML. Let's look at the actual HTML. Okay, the body is class background. Did I put? Oh, I did. That's weird. Oh, okay. So I need to add this to the background of the body. Let me copy that. Where'd that go? All right, so let's do this. Yeah, I think that's the way to go. So one more thing that's going to come in is the const background equals object.background, sure. And then we're going to add the background, the BG base 64 encoded image to the body style. Let's see what that does. Yeah, that's what I want. So body.style.background image. Is that what I want? Let's see. Yeah, background image. Okay. I'm not sure which one is going to work. All right. So now we got to go over here. Got to add to our load widget script the JSON. We'll say BG, and we will get the background. JSON string. Oh, we want the base 64. There we go. Okay. I'm sure this is going to break, but we'll see. That worked. First time for everything. Okay. So now here's what the client wants. The idea is to load the widget, to edit it, and then when we add a label, so this is line 4, this is the sidebar. So I think these things will already exist in FileMaker, and all we have, what we're doing is we're adding them to the list. I think that's what we're doing. Okay. So now when we click on it, we're still going to get that information. That's weird. I don't like that. I think it's because of the clicking. So I need to turn off the editing. Let's reload it. I forgot to get the points. Damn it. Let's try it again. All right. Got some issues here we got to fix. Sidebar, graphic, and I don't know, column. Get the points. There we go. Turn off the editing. This is a weird workflow. I have to think through that workflow. There we go. Everything is good. Now when I click on this, I get column. When I click on this, I get sidebar. When I click on this, I get graphic. Wonderful. All right. So that is what we are doing. I'm going to quickly, just for the fun of it, let's see if ChatGPT create a PNG PNG of a basic floor plan of a elementary school. how about this? Remove the labels because that's what we're trying to add. They misspelled most things. Oh. Okay, we're just going to use it. Let's see. Let's hold on. I'm going to just make one. I'm just going to make an image. Okay. Let's quickly make one. This is ridiculous. Are you enjoying watching all of this? I hope what I'm going to do, actually, this serves two purposes because I'm going to create the image. I'm going to save it as a PNG. I'm going to save it as a PDF. And then hopefully it will work. Okay, so let's add a quick rectangle for the outer bounds, no color. And then we'll add another rectangle for a door. Get rid of the color again because I think they wanted to label doors. That's kind of the whole point of this. Actually, I'll make this white. It's just to, actually, I don't think it matters. All right, so let's put a door there. Let's put a door over there. And then for the fun of it, we'll put some lines just to separate things. I don't know. There we go. Okay. So it's basic diagram. Let's give it a name, diagram, and we'll load it or we'll save it. Save, export. I do need the background. So I need the background to be it's a PNG format. Let's just put a quick white background back there. Make this the bottom. Give it white. There we go. Okay, so now let's export this baby. It's PNG right now. Diagram. Oh, I didn't want to go there. All right, so now let's go back here. Let's add it. Go back over here. Load it in. Okay. Oh, interesting. Look at that. Let's see. CSS, background, image, no repeat, fit to screen. Let's do that. What is that? I guess I'll go no repeats. I'll just do this. Try this. Come on. All right. Let's go back to my code. Where's my background? And I'll do update the body background to be size auto and no repeat. Okay, let's see if that works. Load her up. Perfect, that'll work. I wonder if we can do, let's see. Instead, fit to screen. Cover, okay, let's see what that does. Perfect, great, okay. So now we can do this. Let's figure out the workflow. I think in the next video, I'll figure out the workflow because this is pretty crazy. Let's edit the baby. Let's load it. And we'll go door one. Door, we'll do door upper left, door upper lower left, and door right. Okay. Cancel that. Gotta put a cancel button on there. Remove the edit. Reload it. Oh. Did you see what I did there? Let's try that again. Yeah, I gotta fix the workflow. I'll do that offline because it's ridiculous that I'm trying to do this here. All right, so door left, door, we'll just do door 1, door 2, door 3. Get the points, remove the edit, and there we go. Okay, great. So now when I click on this, I can go to that record. I think we're gonna stop here, but I think in the next video I'm gonna fix this up. So yeah. So there we go. All right. Well, this has been fun. This is craziness. I can't believe I'm doing this, but I just exploring the idea of figuring out how to do with JavaScript. This idea. So that's it for me right now. Talk to you later. Bye.